Marco in Dutchess County Family Court and formerly a practicing attorney in Family Court in Dutchess County. I currently serve on the Dutchess County Legislative Citizens Advisory Committee on Domestic Violence. With me is Kathy Graham, Director of Battered Women's Services, also a member of the Citizens Advisory Committee. The committee has reviewed the proposal set forth by the public defender to take over the cases that are now handled in family court by attorneys assigned to the 18B panel. We agree with the Rosenblatt report. However, my purpose here is to talk to you specifically about the failure of the plan to address the unique problems and concerns of victims of domestic violence. First, the public defender's plan contemplates one attorney appearing in front of one judge all day to handle cases. There is no time available for the lawyer to have the kind of contact that victims need. The plan completely underestimates the complexity of these cases and the extensive out-of-court contact that attorneys need to have with their clients. I think it is simply a question that the public defender's milieu of criminal cases is completely unlike the family court situation. The second primary issue that we see is that victims are not, in this plan, provided a safe place to wait for their lawyers. The plan fails to provide for a safe place at the public defender's office. There is no proposal for a separate waiting room, for a place for victims to bring their children, and any of the family court attorneys that are sitting here in the audience know that frequently their clients come in with their kids, and that's a family court case. This can be absolutely detrimental to victims who are going to be waiting in the same room with the offenders. We fear that this will undermine the victim's trust and interfere with the victim's use of the systems that are designed to help keep her safe. The third major problem is that the plan calls for hiring very low-paid attorneys. There is no plan to spend any money to train these attorneys. The low salaries proposed for family law attorneys in the public defender's office create a climate of high attorney turnover. Family court cases continue for a very long period of time. They're not like a criminal case where something happens and the case is over. These cases multiply. A victim will be poorly served if her case is repeatedly transferred as underpaid and undertrained attorneys come and go. Another major issue that the Citizens Advisory Committee has observed is that in other communities where victims are served by the public defender, they feel stigmatized because in our parlance, a public defender represents people that are accused of crimes. And we don't want victims to feel like they're accused of crimes. It's hard enough for them to come forward and report a crime that has occurred against them. So in closing, I thank you for the opportunity to speak to you. I refer you to the Citizens Advisory letter that we sent, dated November 22nd, that was sent to you, giving you more detail about our concerns. In summary, we believe that the current plan does not address or even consider the unique problems faced by victims of domestic violence. We urge you to reject this plan, which creates real safety concerns for victims.